My name is Isheanesu Chirisa. I'm the National Director of Women and Law in Southern Africa. Women Law in Southern Africa is an organization that works for the rights of women and girls in Zimbabwe, and effectively we've been focusing on sexual reproductive health rights. And as part of our strategic interventions, we also do strategic impact litigation. As part of our interventions, we also embark on public interest litigation and strategic impact litigation. And it's in the same vein that we welcome this landmark judgment where WLSA was the litigant suing the Ministry of Health and Childcare and others. And through the application that we filed in High Court of Zimbabwe, we were seeking to have Section 2, Subsection 1 of the Termination of Pregnancy Act declared unconstitutional, in the sense that the section provides for a very narrow and restrictive approach to legal termination of pregnancy in Zimbabwe. So put simply, we were seeking to have the definition of unlawful sexual intercourse to be expanded to include girls who are below the age of 18 and victims of marital rape who would want to exercise the option to have the pregnancy as a result of the sexual violation terminated. So we are happy today to receive this judgment because it's a big win for young girls in Zimbabwe and women who are victims of sexual violence in marriages. We are particularly happy because Zimbabwe has recorded a number of incidences of unsafe and illegal abortions at back streets. We have statistics at hand which shows that between 2016 and 2019 there were about 80,000 abortions that took place in Zimbabwe, and of the 80,000 abortions, a third was within the age of the adolescents, meaning that young girls are taking part in a number or in a significant number of the 80,000. It's out of the young girls who often are without resources to seek for safe abortions. You realize that abortion is becoming a class issue, in that those that can afford can actually go to South Africa where abortion is allowed and access safe termination. And those that are from communities which are disadvantaged are often confined to unsafe termination of pregnancy. So essentially what we're seeking is to have abortion opened up for young girls and also women who are victims of marital rape. This will then see the sexual reproductive health rights of women in Zimbabwe being promoted, being protected, and even the death that are related to unsafe pregnancy termination will also be equally reduced. So we welcome this judgment as a big win for women and girls in Zimbabwe, and in particular for the women rights organizations, which organization seek to protect women and girls' rights in Zimbabwe. Thank you.